Hi, today we shall study about the integral exponent of rational number and the laws of exponent of rational number. So first, power. Power, when a number is written in the form of a raised to the power n. When a number is written in the form of a raised to the power n, then the number is said to be written in exponential form. Then the number is said to be written in exponential form. Here a is called base. A is called base and n is called power or exponent. Is called power or exponent. For example, prime factor of 64. Prime factor of 64 means 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. Again it is divided by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12. 2 8 is 16. 2 4 is 8. And 2 2 is 4. And 2 1 is 2. Therefore, here we can write 64 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 raised to the power. How many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to the power 6. 64 means 2 raised to the power 6. Here 2 is called base. 2 is called base and 6 is called power or exponent. 6 is called power or exponent. Now minus 5 raised to the power 3 means minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 means 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are 125 means 25 into 5 means 125. Here minus into minus plus and plus into minus minus means minus 125. Now positive integral exponent. Now positive integral exponent. Positive integral exponent. Positive integral exponent means here we can write p by q into p by q into p by q into p by q dot 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 means n times. We write here n times means p by q to the power n. P by q to the power n. We also write it p raised to the power n upon q raised to the power n. For example, 7 by 3 into 7 by 3 into 7 by 3 into 7 by 3 means 7 by 3 raised to the power 4. 7 by 3 raised to the power 4. Now negative integral exponent. Negative integral exponent. Negative integral exponent. In negative integral exponent, p by q raised to the power minus n. P by q raised to the power minus m means 1 upon p by q to the power m means q by p to the power n. Q by p to the power n, that is negative integral of exponent. For example, my 5 raised to the power minus 3. 5 raised to the power minus 3 means 1 upon 5 to the power 3. 1 upon 5 to the power 3 or 1 by 5 raised to the power 3. 1 by 5 raised to the power 3. Now second example, 7 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. 7 by 4 to the power minus 2 means 1 upon 7 by 4 to the power 2 means 4 by 7 to the power 2. Now p by q to the power 0 means 1. p by q to the power 0 means 1. For example, minus 3 by 4 to the power 0 equal to 1. Now reciprocal of rational number. Reciprocal of rational number. Reciprocal of rational number is p by q. Reciprocal of p by q. Reciprocal of p by q is q by p. Reciprocal of p by q is equal to q by p. Reciprocal of p by q to the power n is equal to q by p to the power n. Q by p to the power n. Now we see exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Question first. Write the following using exponential form. First, minus 3 by q into minus 3 by q into minus 3 by q into minus 3 by q is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times means minus 3 by q to the power 4. Minus 3 by q to the power 4. Now d minus 11 by 13 into minus 11 by 13 into minus 11 by 13 into minus 11 by 13 minus 11 by 13 into minus 11 by 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means minus 11 by 13 to the power 6. Now question 2. In question 2, find the reciprocal of the following. First, reciprocal of the following is 1 upon minus 5 to the power 3 means reciprocal of 1 upon minus 5 by 3 is minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3. Now d 3 square upon 5 square means 3 by 5 whole square. Therefore, reciprocal of 3 by 5 whole square equal to 5 by 3 whole square. 5 by 3 whole square. Now E 8 by 11 cube into 11 by 8 square equal to 8 by 11 into 8 by 11 into 8 by 11 into 11 by 8 into 11 by 8 means 11 get cancelled, 8 get cancelled, remaining 8 by 11. Therefore reciprocal of 8 by 11 is 11 by 8. Reciprocal of 8 by 11 is 11 by 8. Now question 3. Question 3. Evaluate and express each of the following as a rational number. First bit minus 3 by 4 whole cube is minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 means 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 means minus 27 upon 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. Next bit C 1 by 3 to the power 5 means 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 means 1 upon 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81 and 81 3 is 243 means 1 upon 243. 1 upon 243. Now B minus 1 by 7 whole square means minus 1 by 7 into minus 1 by 7 means minus minus plus 1 upon 7 into 7 49. Now question 4. Question 4. Express each of the following rational number in exponential form. So first we take minus 32 upon 243 by prime factorization method. 32 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4 and 2 1 are 2. Now 243 here 3 3 8 are 24, 3 1 are 3, again 3 3 2 are 6, 3 7 are 21, again 3 3 9 are 27, 3 3 are 9 and 3 1 are 3 means minus 32 upon 243 is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 upon 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 means 1 2 3 4 5 minus 2 by 3 to the power 5 minus 2 by 3 to the power 5. Now B 125 upon minus 3 4 3 means 125 by prime factorization method. 5 is the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 5 the 25, 5 5 the 25, 5 on the 5. Now 3 4 3 7, 7 for the 28, 7 for the 28 plus 6, 7 9 the 63, 7 7 the 49 and 7 1 the 7 means 125 upon minus 343 means 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 minus is to minus, therefore 125 upon minus 343 equal to 5 by minus 7 to the power 3. Now question 5. Evaluate. First bit 3 by 5 to the power 0. If power 0 then answer always 1. B 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7 to the power 0 means 3 plus 4 by 7 to the power 0. 7 by 7 to the power 0 means 1 to the power 0 1. 4 to the power 0